And a lovely good morning to everyone today here on Life of Pri. I'm heading out to the field because it should be dry enough. It should be dry enough now that I can walk around without getting stuck in the mud. So today, me and my assistant will hopefully finish collecting all of the heading date information. Everything should be headed. It's been 3 more days, right? And maybe take some serial number information. But we'll see. I have several meetings today. One at 9 that I'll listen to in the field, one at 10, one at 11. And then I have like a break where I can go into lab for my shift before having adoration at 5. So a full day. Hi again, everyone. So this is my assistant, Yusin.
Hi.
And so we've made it out to the field, and it's not flooded anymore, but it's very wet still. Let me show you our feet. I mean, just look at this. Look at my boots. Look at her white shoes. They are covered in mud. And mud is not light. It gets heavy when there's so much of it on there. Also, our jeans are soaking wet thanks to the plants. And that's because we couldn't walk in the irrigation ditch today because it's still pretty wet. Instead, we had to walk through the plants, which thanks to the morning dew, makes this the perfect place to get your jeans soaking wet. So I rush over here from the field to make it in time for my TA hours, which I was actually like 5 minutes late. But I was on the call on my phone, so if someone did show up, I could still be there. Well, it's been an hour and no one's shown up. You would think that with their first lab report due tomorrow at noon, and with almost like 25 students, even a few waitlisted students, that someone would show up. But no, only the professor showed up, and that was to discuss grading criteria, which was useful and good, but no students, so it's been a fun hour. And now it is time to go to my writing group session, which is always fun, socialize and help each other with our papers we're trying to publish, and I need to review that real quick before we meet. Okay, so I'm getting ready for the writing group that I have, and Sarah, my lab mate, it's her week, and she wrote a very rough intro for her draft, right? And it reflects all her humor and sarcasm. She says, please ignore that. Just tell me if the chain of logic is good. Don't actually worry about the language, because here's her first paragraph. Wheat provides essentials for civilization in the form of indulgent carbohydrates and a small amount of protein for the human diet. Did you know we have a demanding and meat-eating entitled human population worldwide? Yes, the animals we eat need wheat too, and even more unpredictable weather and large-scale changes in climate ahead of us. We prepare for the worst by making super adaptive wheat that will feed more people with less. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Okay, so done with my writing group session. Enjoyable as always. Now I just finished eating up a very quick lunch. I'm about to head into lab for a DNA extraction, which later video, probably like 2 or 3 videos because those take a while. And then adoration. And now I actually have a ladies' night tonight, which, unlike what the guys about to think, we do not talk about boys the entire time. We talk about politics, genetics, work, school, life in general, and every now and then, like one of our meetings out of it, a quarter, maybe do we talk about guys. But anyway, I'm really looking forward to that tonight. I always host it down in the lobby because I have a nice big space, which is COVID friendly. We have a nice big flat screen TV in the lobby of my apartment complex, and we always bring great snacks. Cheesecake, cheese and crackers, wine, champagne. We know how to live it up. So I'm going to end it here, and I will see you all tomorrow. Hope you all have a great Thursday night. I know I am.